Sir, can I talk to you? What's going on today?
I was just fishing.
You were?
Yes, sir. I was up on the top of the Roosevelt Bridge, and I was over here by Pelican Cafe fishing.
Okay, because
Yes,
we got a call that said you were standing over on the bridge, just standing there.
On the bridge, I was fishing. My fishing pole was in the water fishing. Yes, sir.
Don't feel wet.
It was wet.
Feels bone dry. Do you have your ID on you?
I don't.
Why not?
Because I'm not doing anything illegal.
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
I don't need a concealed weapons permit to open carry while fishing, hunting, and camping.
Yeah, but you're not hunting.
I was on my going to and from such an event.
You're not hunting. You're not camping.
I was fishing.
Where's your fish?
I didn't catch any. It's not every day I catch a fish, bro.
Oh, okay. Because, like I said, your reel and everything is bone dry.
It's not bone dry.
Don't believe you were fishing.
Yeah, you can feel it. It's not bone dry, bud.
It's bone dry.
It's not bone dry.
Okay. What's your name?
Anyway, my name is Mike.
Is it Mike or Michael?
Well, you can go Michael.
What's your actual legal name?
Michael.
What's your middle name, Michael?
Do you want to see my fishing license?
No, I want your middle name.
My name is D.
What's this say? D for what?
David.
Oh man. What's your last name, Michael?
Once again,
what's your last name, Michael?
Can you tell me what crime I've committed?
Well, I don't believe you're fishing because your lure is. You asked me a question, I got to answer you. If you don't want to hear the answer, then I'm not going to. You say you're fishing.
Yes.
Okay. We got a call that says you were standing on the bridge.
Correct.
Holding that sign, not fishing.
I was holding the sign.
Okay.
With my fishing pole in the water.
Stop. You say you're fishing. The lure is bone dry. The line is bone dry. The reel's bone dry. So how are we fishing if it's bone dry?
I just walked from the top of Stuart Bridge to here.
Okay.
And it's hot. Maybe the heat dried it out. I don't know.
Oh, okay. What's your last name?
I'm letting you know. I was at the top of that bridge with my pole in the water.
Okay. Did you have that on camera? Can I watch?
Unfortunately, my camera does not have a LCD screen.
Oh.
And it does. And I do have video of me fishing. And once again, I do have video, and if I could show it to you,
I'd love to see it.
I would gladly show it to you.
There's no way to show it to me right now?
Absolutely, I can, because once again, it doesn't have an LCD. Like if you can look right back here, there's a battery. You see the battery?
Hold on.
See the battery? No LCD screen?
Oh.
That's what I'm trying to. I'm being dead honest with you. I'm a law-abiding citizen.
What's your last name?
Once again,
what's your last name?
If you can tell me what crime I have committed, I will gladly give you all the information.
Well, right now, everything's dry, so you're committing a crime of open carry.
While 790.25.
You cannot open carry unless you're going to or from hunting and fishing. How do we prove that?
My car's over there. I was fishing, what, a mile from here, roughly?
Okay.
I walked another mile from there to come back to my car to go home.
Okay. So why wouldn't you park your car down there?
Because I started over here. I started right in front of Riverwalk.
You have your fishing license?
Yes, I do.
Let me see that.
No problem. Actually, can you call FWC? Because I don't think you're actually.
I can because it's a state law. But I can ask for your fishing license. It's a state law.
Sure, no problem. I want to see my fishing license. Man. You guys.
No, I want you to. You can stand right there.
This guy's behind me, and then you guys are kind of.
You can stand right there.
I'm getting a little kind of like sketched out by you guys.
You're getting sketched out. What do you think people in downtown think? You're walking around with a freaking rifle strapped to your chest because you're trying to.
I'm sorry.
Prove a point.
I'm not trying to prove anything. I'm just expressing my rights because these are my rights.
Okay.
You know, just like you. You have rights. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. You have rights to carry your firearms.
Yeah, but I'm a police officer. I'm in a uniform. They know who I am.
Hold on. But it's in the statute. The
What
statute 790.25.
What does that
Section
say?
3, subsection D.
What's that say?
It says sheriffs, law enforcement, anybody that. But that's in the statute. That clearly states that.
What's it say though?
What?
That statute. You keep citing.
Until 790.
But what does it say?
The provisions of 790.06 and 790.053 do not apply in the following instances.
Okay.
And then it gives you A through, I think.
What are they?
I don't know all of them, but I know D is the one for law enforcement. I know H is one for fishing, hunting, and camping, which I'm doing.
You're not hunting or camping.
I was fishing.
Hunting. But how can you prove that though? Because I saw you walking from downtown.
I know. I was coming down. You know how to get off that bridge? You walk along that little parkway, and you walk along the boardwalk. And I walked up here.
Michael, do you realize if you would have given me your last name 5 minutes ago, all of us would be on our merry way by now?
But I just don't like. right now you're asking me for all this information, and I don't know why, because I haven't done anything illegal.
Well,
And once again,
until we can prove otherwise.
saltwater fishing, good from 9 to 19. That's my Stuck permit. That's my freshwater. And that freshwater is not over until what? 2 months from now?
You don't have any fish in your bag, do you?
No, sir. You want to?
Sure.
Are you trying to check my bag? Because right now that's where FWC, because they're the only ones that can legally check.
Well,
my
that's
fish.
not technically true.
Well,
It's a state statute.
It's a state stat
that I can still enforce. It's a state law. You realize FWC are state police officers, right?
They're state, and
Okay.
you
And
are.
you
Are
realize,
you city or county?
I'm the city. You
Or
realize
state,
that
state.
You
City,
realize
county.
You realize that we enforce state laws, right?
That's fine. Yes, you enforce state law, but
so-
you're not state. You can't.
I can enforce any state law.
Can you run my fishing license?
Yes, I can actually. I can make a phone call.
You
and run
make
it.
a phone call, but FWC can run my fishing license.
I don't have to.
You
Yeah,
have
but see my radio,
Okay.
it doesn't go to them.
We're shooting.
I know.
Yeah, we're doing this all this
Can I
stuff.
just have your last name and then we'll all be on our way?
Unfortunately, like once again, I'm not doing anything illegal, man.
Well,
I'm really trying to be helpful and go through this.
You're not being helpful.
I am. As a
you're
matter of
not.
fact, I actually walked through this place on a Sunday through Riverwalk. It's on YouTube.
I know. I'll probably see myself on YouTube later, right?
Probably more than likely, but I'm letting you know that I have done nothing illegal, and you're asking me for all this information, and it's not that I want to give it. If you tell me I'm doing something illegal, please, by all means, I'll.
You are.
What?
You're not fishing.
It says going to and returning from.
I understand that. But
I'm returning from.
how are you going to prove that you're actually fishing, though? Because
There's probably about
hold on.
go down to Pelican Cafe and ask any one of the people that were sitting on that seawall down there if they had seen me if I was fishing.
Yeah, but I'm not there though. I'm here.
I understand, but you're asking me to prove it, and
but-
I can't. I
But
want
the
to
thing
prove it.
But the thing is for you to do this legally, you have to prove it.
If you're gonna arrest me, I understand it, because that's the only way I guess I can prove it. Because I'm like I said, I've got the video from when I left my car, was fishing on this Riverwalk, fishing on the Riverwalk, fishing on the bridge, and then I just walked straight back. I didn't fish on the way.
Did you stop at all?
No.
Because that's the call we got.
Hold
That
on.
said you.
I
Hold on.
I'm sorry.
You're really
Go ahead.
rude. You know that?
Well, right now
You're extremely rude.
Okay.
Because you ask questions and you don't even close your mouth to hear the answer.
Heard that. I'm sorry. It's just me, I guess. I'm sorry.
Okay. If you want to ask a question, I'll answer.
Okay.
Okay. The call that we got said you were standing on the bridge,
Correct.
waving that sign,
Correct.
with a gun strapped on you.
Correct.
They didn't say he's fishing. They didn't say he's hunting. They didn't say he was camping. They said it's a male standing on the bridge,
Well, we got.
holding that sign, waving it at people.
Correct. I'm not disputing that, but I also had a fishing pole as I was standing on the side of the road.
Yeah,
like this.
but Michael,
my fishing pole was right behind me in the water.
Michael, I could also walk around with a fishing pole and say I'm doing what I'm doing too, right?
Hey, I can prove it. I just cannot prove it to you because there's no way for me to physically show you.
So can I take that as evidence then? And
If you're arresting me, I guess you're gonna. But I mean, I'm hoping not. And if you are gonna arrest me, I'd like to call my lawyer. At least let him know that I'm gonna be in jail and to get me out.
no, because your whole plan here is to get
My
arrested.
whole plan was to fight against Brian Mass because he just friggin' went on CNN.
So why don't you go stand in front of Brian Mass'
I
office?
can't stand in front of his. I was fishing right in, like, his office is here. That boardwalk is here. I was standing right there on the boardwalk fishing.
Okay.
I had another gentleman walk up to me. He was over there. He saw me fishing. I'm not. I know you don't believe me. I'm trying to explain to you that I'm
the reason
legitimately. I've done this 40 plus times.
I know. I've seen your videos.
Okay, so you know about me, and I'm not doing anything. I would never do anything unlawful.
The reason why I don't believe you though is because hold on, listen.
Is because
Just listen. Stop talking. The reason why I don't believe you is because 99% of the time, law-abiding citizens who are doing absolutely nothing wrong have absolutely no problem giving us their name. Would that be a fair assumption?
when I have been treated.
No, listen to what I'm saying. Would that be a fair assumption?
No.
Somebody who's doing absolutely nothing wrong and is contacted by law enforcement would have no problem giving their name. Correct?
Maybe most. I have an issue. I have an issue.
All
when
law-abiding
it comes,
citizens usually.
I'm a law-abiding citizen, and I have my Fourth Amendment,
Uh-huh.
and I believe in that. Just like you believe in it. Just like I believe in the First, and the Second.
Yeah, but
and
I
the Fourth, and
I
the
also
Fifth,
believe
and
in, like, you know.
I understand common sense. I have common sense. I'm
Okay.
trying. I know what I'm doing. Why I'm out here.
You're going to your car?
Yes, sir.
can I follow you to your car so I get no more calls?
Absolutely.
Right,
I was literally leaving.
Okay, because I don't want to get any more calls than you walking around. So I'll just follow you there like an escort.
I know you don't want any more calls, but now you're saying like, oh, because
You're walking through downtown at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. People have already walked by. You just heard them say, "What's going on?"
I said, hey.
Yeah, I understand
I've been saying hi. Many people have talked.
I understand it.
You're gonna
but
see.
rather than getting more calls about you and having to have 4 more officers come back
what
down
if I
here,
was to leave here and go somewhere else to go fishing? You're still gonna get the same calls.
I wouldn't care because it's not in downtown.
Okay. All right. Let's just get this moving, man. Can I go?
Yeah, we're good.
All right. Sorry, my flag.
You're fine. What were you trying to catch?
Snook. If you look down here by the bridge, there's about 5,000. Well, not 5, probably about a couple hundred mullet.
Is snook season on right now?
Yes, sir.
When does it end?
What's today? I want to say September 1st. What's the 31st? One of the two.
It ends in September?
Yes, sir. Well, it just closes until all the way till December, January, or February, something like that. I'm not 100% on all.
What's the length on the fish?
28 to 32.
Okay.
You ever caught any?
No, I didn't even know what a snook
Yeah.
looks like.
Yeah.
You can show me a snook right now, and I'll say it's a fish with flippers and gills.
Yeah, well, I catch about, I've caught some fish that were over like, almost 4 feet.
Oh wow.
44 inches, 46
So
inches.
you gotta throw those ones back,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, absolutely. That's illegal. I wouldn't, like I said, I've done stupid shit in my day, but so ever since I was 18, I don't need to do anything wrong. I've done nothing to nobody. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, but for some reason,
you got to understand where we come from, because I know you make these videos on purpose, but you got to understand where law enforcement comes from.
I make these videos because in Port St. Lucie, they don't have body cams. So this is for my protection. And this, if you've ever seen any of my videos, you should look at my earlier stuff where I'm fishing, where I'm on a kayak. I'm a fisherman by trade. It was just march against our lives that tried to start taking all our guns.
But Mike, what I'm saying is, you got to look at it from our point of view. They call in and say there's a guy carrying a gun around downtown.
Right.
So we got to come talk to you.
That's fine. You can come talk to me, but you don't have to ask me for a bunch of stuff that doesn't mean absolutely nothing.
Oh, I only asked you for your name.
I'm not gonna. Like, when's the last time a criminal was around these guns?
You'd be surprised.
And I don't
Criminals
know.
keep us employed
I
because
hear-
they're dumb.
Maybe criminals won't be so stupid if they had a whole town full of people carrying guns.
It's probably true.
It is true. Look at Texas. Look at Chicago. Look at all these gun-controlled states, and look at their crime rate. Florida, certain parts, Miami, they have a high crime rate.
Yes.
All those people there. It's a very liberal town, right? Very. Tampa, same way.
Yeah.
So all these places that have very strict or try to inflict strict gun laws have high crime rates.
So can I ask, why are you going against Brian Mast? I'm curious now.
He was just on CNN, and he wants to ban the AR-15.
I thought he was for it though.
No, he signed off on HR 8. He was one of 3 Republicans to put his name on that bill.
Okay.
One of 3. He just was on CNN that promotes anti-gun. They don't want guns. That's their whole agenda. And Brian Mast took their platform and preached their agenda.
Oh, okay. I don't really follow that much about the news.
See, I do, and you know something? That's why I'm out here. I'm not here to fight you guys. Sorry, man. I'm not here to start. I understand you guys got to come and see me.
Yeah, we got to do your job,
I'm not saying not to.
Yeah.
I'm not going to try to infringe on your rights. I'm not trying to infringe on their rights. Today has been one of those days where people keep going and nicking at our rights.
Yeah.
And I'm tired of it.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go out and express my rights.
I understand.
Lawfully.
I understand, but
but
again, just know that when you do that, people who don't know any better or who don't care, they're gonna call us. So
I understand. And
we at least gotta come out and talk to you.
That's why I'm out here too, is to undemonize this. If we can make people realize that the law, like the criminals on this other side of this track, a little bit down here, they don't care about the law.
No. You're right.
If it was safe for me to go down there by myself, and I might be able to stop crime down there, but I'm not. I can't go down there by myself.
Hey, what's your YouTube channel? I want to watch me later.
SOLOYAKER.
Okay.
Solo Yacker.
Have a good day, Mike.
Thank
Okay.
you. Have a great day, guys.
You too.
How you doing, guys?
Good. How are you?